Greetings friends, a couple of tips about how to park your primary light in a temporary hold. First thing, ensure that you have a little bungee loop secured to your primary light, which we will use to clip off with our double ender. Okay, we're going to clip that off there and then clip it off to the D-ring. Now we have to remember to tidy up the light cord because we don't want the light cord to be waving around whilst we're trying to work. Okay, so ensuring that we pass it underneath the long hose, we would tuck it under the waistband like so. And we would make sure that we don't over tighten it because we actually want the light to hang straight down when we're in trim to avoid blinding our teammates. Okay, important thing to bear in mind. And you get extra points if you can do it one-handed because it looks cool. Enjoy.